You hear that? Drop the roof and let.
Hi everyone, this is Gibran Salwa Pasha and welcome back to Komunikasi Andalas 2020. Check this out. Yo, what's up everybody? Back again with me Gibran, and in this video we will discuss about the ability to speak English. We all know that English is an important aspect that we have to learn. Why? We know that because this ability is so cool and very much needed if we are to expand our influence. For example, Vicky, who speaks many languages, has become famous on social media because of his action communicating with people from other countries on Ome TV. Besides being famous, he is also sponsored by various brands so that he has an income. That's so cool, right? But some of us say, "Sama Inggris." Get rid of that thought and listen of some of the tips I will give you. In this video, I will give you some of tips that will help you to become a good speaker and have a good English. In learning English, you have to be active and keep on learning. Okay? Good. Let's go to the tips. The first tip. The first tip is determined and confident to learn English. Come on, say it louder to yourself. Aku bisa bahasa Inggris. Aku bisa. You can find a variety of sources of motivation to learn English, and also have to be patient because everything needs a process. So you can't just suddenly be good at English after a day of studying. It is impossible. Yeah, unless the ability of your brain is so extraordinary that it can beat other humans' brain. Maybe, or you have a superpower that can transfer people's memories, so you don't need to study. Just go to America and take their memory in language. But I don't know that there is a human can do that. So you have to be patient in learning English because everything have a process and need a process. Enjoy the process, dude. Let's go to the second tips. Let's go. Okay, next to the second tips. The second tips is listen to everything in English. You can listen to music, movies, speeches, conversations, and more. It will help your ears to get used to listening to English. If you think you are good enough at listening to English, look for something a little bit more challenging. For example, if you like a lot of English song and you can understand the meaning of the sentence because the tempo is so slow, look for the faster one. Yeah, for example, you can listen to rap music and try to understand the sentences. If you are already good at these two, that will be great. You're a good listener. I'm proud of you. Okay, next to the third tips. So now, the third tips. The third tips is say it. Just say the English word that you know. For example, if you listen to English songs, find the lyrics and sing it. And if you play online games, you can use English to speak to other gamers and more anything else what you do when you get bored. So it will help you to know your limits. Because of what? Because when you know where is your limits, you can upgrade your skill and you can be more good at it because you know your limits. If you have trouble, you can study again and say it again until you get used to it. Okay, just say it. Same like just do it. And the next steps is the fourth one. That is read. Yeah, of course, read. You can read book, or when you watching movies, you can read English subtitles, or you can read music lyrics or other text in English. Read, just read, because big point of studying is read. So the fifth tips is kebiasaan. After the fourth, we go to the fifth tips. That is, honestly, this relates to the fourth earlier, writing in English. For this case, you don't have to be in a tutoring or something else. You can just practice by reading, understanding the sentences, and writing the sentences in your own way. You can practice in chat with your friends, girlfriends, crushes, parents, teachers, and your ex. Oops. Okay, those are the tips. All you have to do is just do it. Yeah. Just do it. I know you can do it. So that's from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. See you later. Goodbye.